Hey guys, in this video, I want to go over how I won an insurance claim customer on a PS5.
Definitely, we could. What I would do if I was you is I would call them and be like, "Hey, I have a shop that can fix it. If I pay them, would you reimburse me?"
Yeah, because that's kind of.
Because I don't think you have to go here because I don't even know where that's even at.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we could probably definitely fix it, and then you just pay, and then they'll just reimburse you.
That's what I was thinking. Okay,
so I would just call them and say, "Hey, there's a place close to my house, very convenient, that can fix it. They'll fix it. They'll charge me. We'll send you a receipt. Will you reimburse me?" I'm sure they'll say yes.
Okay, so for specifically.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you need, we can get for you.
Wait. Where is it? 4 out of 4. Because I know that the main thing they want is like someone that's like licensed. Like you guys have a license number or something.
Yeah, we have a business. We have a business license.
Okay, so
yeah.
Let me write that down. Business license.
Or occupational license.
Yeah, because I know that that's the main thing. They're not gonna want me to take it to my brother's friend that can.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, look, we can show you all that stuff. A lot of times you just give them the EIN number, and then that would help. So.
Yeah, because I want to make sure I ask the right questions. Okay.
So did you want to just leave it here in the meantime and then do all your due diligence and then just call us and tell us, hey, go ahead and start check? I mean, we can run a diagnosis on it for free, and then you can figure out what's going on.
Yeah, and then I'll call him.
All right, so let's go ahead and actually I'll get the information here. I'll get you all situated here. Yeah, so I mean, we have occupational license and EIN numbers. We have over 200 locations all over the world. I mean, I'm sure they'll be fine. We do this all the time, so I'm sure there's going to be no issue. But the biggest thing I would tell them if you talk to them is just like, hey, it's convenient for me. They're right down the street, and you can give them the website and all that stuff, and they're a reputable company, and I think you'll be fine.